Hey you guys, what's up? I hope you are doing good today. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos, and if you enjoy watching me, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Okay, I've been doing a lot of makeup tutorials on my channel. So for today's video, I thought to do something different. So we are going to do this one dip challenge where basically you have to take just one drop or just one scoop of whatever product you are using. This is gonna be really fun and challenging too, because one dip of every product, it's just too much. I don't know how I will complete this challenge, but yeah, let's get started. Let's see how I do it. Okay, so to moisturize my face, I'm using this Olay moisturizing cream, and I'm gonna take just one scoop. So that's what I got. I should have been a little more careful. I should have seen in the bottle what I'm taking, how much I'm taking. But anyway, we are just going to use this much only. By the way, I already moisturized my face in the morning, like just couple of hours ago, so it shouldn't be much of the issue. Now time for primer. I am just taking one drop. This much I got, but I think this should be okay. Now for foundation, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is pump fully bottled, so I'll just take one pump. Please God, please. I'm just giving it a good shake. Please God. Shh. What? What? This foundation? Man, I'm dead. I don't know. I don't know. I'll just dot this on my face very carefully. I don't know what's going to happen. Whatever foundation is left, I'm just dragging to my neck, but I know there's nothing in this sponge now, and I need more foundation. Like, clearly I need more foundation. I got some allergy around my mouth, and that is why the foundation is looking patchy around my mouth now. Let's see for concealer what happens. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know, for concealer I'm just trying to take as much as I can. Concealer तो अच्छे से आ जाए, थोड़ा तो मतलब बेस ठीक हो. It's nothing. What? कुछ नहीं कर सकते अब, कुछ भी नहीं. मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा इस वॉन्ड में कितना प्रोडक्ट है, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. इतनी पतली सी है ये. This much is the concealer that I got. क्या हो क्या रहा है यार? I think I've already screwed this challenge. I don't know क्या हो रहा है, कुछ कवरेज ही नहीं है मेरे फेस पे. बट या लेट्स सी, क्या कर सकते हैं. लूज पाउडर की बारी है. कुछ बेस प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं लगा, तो लूज पाउडर क्या ही सेट करेगा. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ पाउडर, बट स्पंज में कितना आता है. आई डोंट नीड लॉट ऑफ लूज पाउडर. दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट. आई थिंक दैट इज इनफ, क्योंकि लूज पाउडर आई डोंट यूज दैट मच. Just little of it is fine. I think I got decent amount of loose powder, so yeah, that was still good. कुछ तो ठीक हुआ बेस में. Okay, now for eyebrows. I'm scared. Okay, so for eyebrows, what I'm gonna do is I am taking this brush, because a lot of people use their eyebrow pencil. So they did not include eyebrow in one dip challenge, but because I use eyebrow cake, so I think it makes sense to include. And अगर आईब्रोज खराब हो गई तो मतलब क्या क्या रह क्या जाएगा मेकअप में. बट ठीक है, चलो, दिस इज फन पार्ट. मैं बहुत सारा ले रही हूँ. आई नो आई एम गोना स्क्रू दिस. तो ये थोड़ा सा आईब्रो प्रोडक्ट मैंने यहाँ पर एक्सेस वाला हटा दिया था स्टार्टिंग में ही. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग दिस अगैन. नाउ आई हैव ट्रिक्स फॉर दिस चैलेंज. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद द आईब्रोज. बहुत काम बचा है अभी इनमें, लेकिन कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एवरीथिंग इज ओवर नाउ. ओके, नाउ फॉर आई शैडो आई हैव टू टेक सम सुपर पिगमेंटेड आई शैडो पैलेट so that only one dip is enough to cover both the eyes. And for that I'm using Huda Beauty. Nothing is as pigmented as this palette, so yeah. Okay, so on a flat shader brush I'm taking this deep mauve color. The name is Risk. I will just take this nicely. I'll just apply on the lids of my eyes. I'm using the other side on this eye. I don't have enough color on my eyelids and it's over in the brush. I cannot take more of this color now, so what I'll do, I'm taking a blending brush and some transition shade. The transition shade is this one. The name is Demure. And now I'm gonna take this color as much as possible. I'm just tapping off slightly, ever so slightly, and we'll blend this color now. मुझे लगता है बेस से भी ज़्यादा आई मेकअप की बैंड बज गई है इस चैलेंज में. Now on a angle brush I am taking this black color. I have smudged this black color a little bit. For eyeliner I'm using the Chambord one, and the same rule for this as well. I think eyeliner was the easiest part of this challenge till now because I got enough eyeliner in just one dip. So yeah, I'll curl my lashes quickly. Do I need to just curl it like once? Is this also included in this challenge? I don't know, but okay, I'll just do it once. Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and I just need to take one scoop, right? It's done. It was also just good. One scoop of mascara is not that bad. So yeah, that is done. Now time for bronzer. This is the brush that I'm using, and I'm gonna take just this much. So the trick is apply the product to the both sides ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि आपने एक ही में कर दिया और एक के लिए बिल्कुल बचा ही नहीं. तो मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट दोनों साइड पहले लगा लो. And nose I don't have much product, but I'll just run over my nose like this. That's decent amount of product, not that bad. Okay, now for blush I have taken the most pigmented blush that I have, and I'm using this Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush. I'm just going to apply to all the places quickly, like both cheeks, nose, chin, and now I'll start blending. There's a lot of blush. कुछ ज़्यादा ही blush ले लिया है मैंने. अभी इसे blend करते बैठूंगी मैं. Okay, now I'm dipping my brush into highlighter. ये भी मैं बहुत सारा लेने वाली हूँ, and then it will be difficult to manage. I think highlighter भी हो गया है, इसका भी इतना problem नहीं हुआ. Now for lipstick I'm using this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick क्योंकि इसी के one scoop पे मुझे भरोसा है बस. This is in the shade Gulabi, by the way. I don't know. मेरे लिप्स पे कुछ एलर्जी हो रखी है, सो आई वाज़न्ट श्योर कि वन डिप में कुछ हो पाएगा या नहीं बिकॉज दे आर सो वियर्ड राइट नाउ, बट आई थिंक वी डिड अ डिसेंट जॉब. नाइस. सेटिंग स्प्रे का जस्ट वन स्प्रे, मतलब क्या होगा वन स्प्रे से, आई डोंट नो. मतलब मैं जब तक ऐसे पूरा नहा ना लूँ ना मुझे चैन नहीं आता है. मतलब इट इज़ मेयर फॉर्मेलिटी की वन स्प्रे. Why am I even shaking it? उतना ही आना है यार. Ready, steady and go. That wasn't even there. That wasn't even there. Just I got few drops here. Like not even drops. क्या था वो? जो भी था. Just here. It's nothing here. It was a joke probably. क्योंकि कुछ हुआ नहीं उससे. So this is the look that we created in this one dip challenge. I think I did a fine job. थोड़ा सा practice होता ना मुझे इस challenge का. I would have aced it, but इसमें भी I don't think it's that bad. It is fine. Everything is looking just fine. Not that bad. So yeah, this was good. This was something interesting, something different that I did. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I will have my handle here. Please go follow me there. I'm posting makeup tutorials exclusively on Instagram. So yeah, that would be fun to watch. So go follow me here. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.